Hi, this is a quick video on how to use the form that I just sent you for the general education teacher input. Okay, so let me go ahead and open. So you would go here to Google Forms. Okay, and you should have it because I sent it to you. It's the one that says student name. So whenever you want to use it for any of your students, you can just go over here. But this is the template, so you don't want to overwrite this one. So you're going to, oops, where did it go? Okay, so you're going to go over here and you're going to make a copy. Okay, so right here, the three little dots, click there and you're going to make a copy. So like, let's say, oh, you need to do one of these forms, send out one of these forms to Brandon's teachers. So then make a copy of it. And over here, you're going to change the file name so you don't overwrite it. And you're going to put Brandon's name. Okay. And then just hit OK. Okay. And then it opens up. Okay. And now you can go ahead and edit it. Like right here, we'll put Brandon Flores. And then all the questions are still the same as what you had. And I'll put Brandon Flores' name here as well. I broke it up into two parts, the yes, no, inconsistently part, okay, and then the short answer part, okay. And then that's it. So when you're ready to use it or send it to his or her teachers, then you can just go over here, send, okay. And you could just copy the link. You would go over here and you would just copy this. You can shorten it. That's kind of a long link. It doesn't matter, but copy that. Okay. So you copy that. Okay. And then you just send that link to all of his teachers. Okay. So you just go to your email, type in all of his teachers, and paste the link in the email. Okay. So you would just go here, compose, and compose. So slow. Okay. But you would just paste that email link. Okay. So whoever it is, and then just paste the link here and they will get it. Okay. So that's all it is. And you'll have this under Brandon's name. And then you don't have to worry about it. Okay. And then you'll still have the original one, the one that says parentheses student name. That one will be your template. This is the one you'll create for each student. Okay. And so there are only three places where you change it: in the file name, and then right here under the title there, and in the title here. Okay. Hope that was easy to understand. If you have any questions, you can always email me.